Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable API in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Enabling the API in Salesforce allows external applications to interact with the Salesforce data. This is particularly useful for integrating Salesforce with other systems or building custom applications. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the setup option and click on it. Now, on the quick find tab, type in profiles. Okay. Click on it. Now here, just select the profile that you want to enable the API. For example, it's going to be System Administrator. I want you to click on it and scroll down to the administrative permissions. All right. If you can't find it, all I have to do is press Ctrl plus F to your keyboard if you're using Windows, so that it's a lot easier to search. You see that? Now here, just make sure that the API enabled is checked. All right. Click that. And that's it. And of course, now after doing so, all I have to do is click on the save button on the bottom right corner. Now the next option is I want you to click the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click that. Now from here, another way for you to enable the API on your account is clicking the switch to Salesforce Classic. Now here, all you have to do is click the manage users. That's in the left side panel of your dashboard. Click the permission sets. All right. And obviously, just select the user that you wanted to enable the API. It's a very easy thing to do. For example, this is going to be a G Plaps. You should be able to hover down below where you can see the system permissions, the permissions to perform actions that apply across apps. And of course, that includes the API. All I have to do is search for the API, check the box here, right here. Okay, that applies, and click on save. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.